All right, guys, we have Day. We just adjusted her baby, Daytona. She got really creative with the name.
Her daddy didn't know that.
Yeah. I love the name. I don't want to come looking at me the name. 4 weeks postpartum, correct?
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't pregnant.
It was smooth until I had that sciatica nerve, but then you came and did some voodoo. And once you did what you did, I was able to walk again, literally.
That's it.
I feel good.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
Wow, you are so tiny. How you doing? You know, nothing to say? Your first time at a chiropractor. How old is Daytona?
She is 4 weeks.
4 weeks?
Yep.
You tell them don't age you like that. Don't keep screaming. I don't want to drop you. Your mama gonna beat me up. What's up? What's up, Daytona? Oh, don't. Oh. How's the bowel movement?
I think I go like 3 times a day.
Oh, so she moving.
Mm-hmm. It's just that head to the right or the left. That's the hit she be doing. She really do this.
All right, guys, we have Day. We just adjusted her baby, Daytona. She got really creative with the name.
Her daddy didn't know that.
Yeah. I love the name. I don't want to come looking at me the name. All right. So Day, she just had Daytona. So you have any pain? She had back pain throughout the pregnancy. We was treating her. Any back pain now? Anything going on?
This is my first. I want to get back all the way. I feel like it helped though.
Yeah.
The pregnancy, yeah.
All right, cool. All right, so let's get you on your back.
Okay.
Any headaches, anything like that?
No.
No. 4 weeks postpartum, correct?
Mm-hmm.
How was the pregnancy?
It was smooth until I had that sciatica nerve, but then you came and did some voodoo.
Just relax.
And once you did what you did, I was able to walk again, literally.
That's it. And the problem looking right over there.
Ooh.
How we doing?
I'm doing good.
Let me have you lay on your side, face me. You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool.
Now that's gonna get the glutes in order.
Sure. Just relax. Lift the other one up. All right. Now lift this one up again. Oh, man, I'm still struggling. I thought it was just because
Oh, a little slow.
not a little slow. A lot slow. Just joking. Just joking. But nah, everything just messed up. Lift it up. Hey, watch out now. We just need a baby to give some results like this. Sit on up. Okay.
Yeah. I feel like I'm getting brand new again.
All right, stand on up.
I feel good.
Good.